And so tell us about the AI tools that you use to support your comedy development.
Yeah, so I started in December of this past year. So it's been about 10, 11 months or so. And I realized really quickly, I was like, what's the difference between good comedians and great comedians? And why are some people more popular than others? And comedy is very subjective, right? Like what's funny to me and my group may not be funny to you and your group. So I was looking for the common data point that would, transcend groups. And I found that common data point was laughs per minute. And so you can look at these comedians, the Nate Bargatze's, the John Chris, and you can do it old school and just watch their special and jot down the laughs per minute, or you can run it through Gemini and have it calculate the laughs per minute. And so I found that 4 to 5 laughs per minute is the standard for a professional full-time comedian. And so I said, okay, all I have to do is write material that elicits 4 to 5 laughs per minute, and I will be on par with a professional comedian. And I've pretty much done that. So what I do is I record every set, I run it through the AI after the set. Nothing special, just Gemini prompt. Why Gemini? It was the only one through the browser UI that would consume video. GPT and Grok, as of the recording date today, will not consume video. And it was able to do it. And so I said, okay, that's super easy. And I just started, I have a spreadsheet. John, I have a spreadsheet like a nerd does. And it lists every performance with a recording of the performance, the laughs per minute, what worked, didn't work, notes, and how many people were in the audience, how much money was made, all of that stuff.
I love that. I can't wait to see if it gets more sophisticated over time. Like as your comedy career goes on, you get more and more sophisticated metrics. Like so, like right now, it's kind of like laugh velocity. I wonder if we can like take the
Yes.
derivative of that and get like laugh acceleration.
Yes. Well, also all laughs are not equal, which is actually a harder
Right.
thing. So there's some people built software for this, by the way, called like Laugh Evaluator Pro. But the duration of the laugh is important. The intensity of the laugh in relation to other laughs are important. So it can get pretty nerdy. I'm trying to keep it basic. So I use AI in the evaluation of it, but I also use it in the writing process. So for example, what I like to do is I write the joke, like I write it and practice it. And I'm like, that's a good joke. And then I put it through AI to ask for like different perspectives, how they would see that joke, different potential areas, like directions that joke could go in, maybe words near this joke that have a double meaning, things like that. And I've got a saved prompt that I use to act like a writing coach. Now, the way I figured this out, John, was I was going to a writer's group, a comedy writers group, where there would be like 8 comedians in a circle, and we would all we'd do like a minute of our jokes for that week, and then they would all give feedback. And so I went to like 10 of those, modeled how those professional comedians gave each other feedback, turned that into a prompt, and now I just get to do it with the Grok.